Hi everyone, welcome to the Ritz-Carlton in Nikko, Japan. I'm Anna and today I'm taking you on a room tour and showing you what makes this hotel and this whole area so special. If you love exploring Japan and discovering new places, make sure to check out my channel for more travel videos. Nikko is one of those places in Japan where everything instantly feels calmer. You've got mountains, deep forests, and that crisp highland air that just makes you breathe a little deeper. And something a lot of people don't realize is that Nikko is actually split into two main areas. There's the lower part, the town area, which is famous for its UNESCO World Heritage shrines and temples like Toshogu Shrine. It's full of history, culture, and incredible architecture. Then there's the upper part, up in the mountains, where you'll find Lake Chuzenji, waterfalls, hiking trails, and these peaceful highland views. This is where the Ritz-Carlton is located. So you basically get culture and nature in one trip. Getting here from Tokyo is pretty easy. Just hop on a train to Nikko and then continue up toward Lake Chuzenji. Once you reach Nikko, you'll need to take a bus or taxi to the hotel since it's tucked right next to Lake Chuzenji up in the mountains. And that's where you'll find the Ritz-Carlton, right along the lake at the foot of Mount Nante. When you arrive, the first thing you notice are the huge windows framing the water. It feels like the hotel was designed specifically to show off the view. Quiet and peaceful, exactly what you want after the trip. The vibe here is definitely slow down and enjoy. There are several restaurants using local ingredients in hotel, a cozy lounge, and lots of little corners where you can sit with a drink and just watch the light shift over the lake. But the real highlight, at least for me, is the lake view room. Walking in feels more like entering a calm, modern Japanese home than a hotel room. Lots of wood, soft lighting, clean lines, everything is simple, warm, and thoughtful. The best part is the full wall of windows. It's like the scenery becomes part of the room. There's this little Ingawa-style sitting area right along the window where you can lounge, sip tea, and just watch the lake. We spent a decent amount of time there resting and enjoying the view. There's also a balcony that runs the length of the room, so you can step out, breathe in that fresh air, and take in the view. The living room is incredibly spacious, the kind of place where you can sink into a comfy sofa and instantly feel at home. Just off to the side, there's a roomy bedroom that connects directly to the bathroom. And the bathroom, definitely another wow moment. You get a huge soaking tub, a sleek, modern design, and in some rooms, even a beautiful lake view right from the bath. It's the perfect setup for slow, peaceful mornings and long, relaxing nights. And it's the little touches that really make a difference. All those details that make you want to stay in the room just a little longer than planned. In the evening, we headed to one of the nearby restaurants, more of a cozy grill bar, where we ended up being the only guests. The owners treated us like family, and even though it was low season, everything was fresh and incredibly tasty. You can find the link to this place in the description below. As we finished dinner, the snowstorm started to pick up, so we made our way back to the hotel to enjoy the winter views from our window. The streets were so empty that the only living creatures we came across were a few roe deer wandering around. For morning, we took in the hotel Bento breakfast. Don't be surprised that all guests are coming for breakfast in a kimono-style clothes that you can find in your room. We visited mid-March and apparently got caught in one of the biggest snowfalls of the season. Overnight, the whole scenery changed and no cars or buses were coming up to the lake. We had to wait until the road was cleared, but the hotel was super understanding and had no problem giving us a late checkout under the circumstances. So, was it worth coming all the way here? Definitely yes. But if you do come, make sure to plan some time to actually stay in the hotel, enjoy the amenities, and just relax in your room with those cozy vibes. Thanks so much for watching. If you're looking for more travel tips, drone shots, hotel and places recommendations, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay up to date with the latest videos.